Bismillah. Today we're going to be talking about the top 10 benefits of castor oil for women over 30. And if you're not using castor oil right now, you will by the end of this video. And you're going to be amazed at what castor oil can do for you. There is nothing that castor oil cannot do for your skin. So if you have a skin condition, you might try using castor oil first. So let's start with age spots, any kind of spots. Castor oil can get rid of them. So if you have little dark spots from the sun or freckles or whatever, applying castor oil to the areas or even mixing it with your lotions will get rid of all of your dark spots. Castor oil is one of those things you need to be patient with because it doesn't usually work overnight. So just keep doing it. If you think it's not even working, just keep doing it and continue for a couple of months. You will see results. What about stretch marks? Do you have stretch marks? Maybe from pregnancy or maybe from growth spurts, whatever. Stretch marks can be removed with castor oil. Just apply the castor oil to your stretch marks and continue this. It will slowly fade and get rid of your stretch marks. Now, before you go out and grab some castor oil, make sure you're getting organic, cold pressed, and hexane-free castor oil. This is a brand that I like and recommend, this Heritage Store. And they have everything that we talked about: glass bottle, organic, hexane-free, and cold pressed. So this is a really good one to start with, and I'll leave a link for this one in the shopping bag. Castor oil is really well known for muscles. So if you're having any kind of sore muscles at all, any kind, maybe a torn muscle, maybe from exercise, maybe they're just hurt and achy, castor oil applied to those spots and massaged in will get rid of all kind of sore muscles and help them to heal. Castor oil is so amazing for your skin. You have to give this one a try. It's amazing for wrinkles or just tightening up your skin. So even if your eyes are becoming more hooded, they're sagging a little bit, coming down, applying castor oil will help to lift and tighten up your eyes, remove the wrinkles that you're seeing, even if deep wrinkles. So castor oil is amazing for your skin, and probably why it's in many cosmetics. It makes your skin feel so soft and actually helps to strengthen your skin. And as you age, your skin becomes thinner. So using castor oil over time will help your skin to become stronger and more robust so it won't get so thin. Castor oil will get rid of any kind of lumps or bumps that you might have on your skin. Maybe you have a cyst, skin tag, a wart, any kind of bump that you might see doesn't look like it should be there. Try castor oil, apply this on it, leave it on. If you have a small bump, you could cover it with some bandages too to make sure that the castor oil stays on there. And just keep doing this every day for a few months, and inshallah, and it will disappear. I use castor oil for my nails. Your nails and cuticles can grow and become much stronger and healthier if you use castor oil. And you can see this pretty instantly if you start using castor oil, because you'll notice within a couple of weeks your nails are stronger, your cuticles are really nice. So it's really great for your hands. Let's go to our eyes. Castor oil, of course, is amazing for your eyes. Amazing. It can do so many things. So a lot of people use it for dry eye. Even eye doctors have recommended using it for dry eye. You don't have to put it in your eye. You can just rub it on the eyelids, and this will help to get rid of your dry eye. It's excellent for your eyelashes, for your eyebrows. So if you want to get them thicker or grow longer, try to use castor oil. It's so easy to apply. Just rub it on at night before you go to bed every day. It's excellent for growing your lashes. Something that's really cool about castor oil is it can also help with bone spurs. So this is not your skin, this is a bone. How can castor oil help fix bones? That's crazy, but it can. Lots of people have used castor oil to dissolve the bone spur, be it on your foot, your hand, whatever it is. Just put castor oil packs on your bone spur and repeat this every day. and it will slowly disappear. And you can go have it x-rayed and check it out and see for yourself how well it worked. I'd love to hear some comments down below as well. You guys have used it for, what your grandmother has used it for. Please leave some comments down below to help others. So a lot of people use castor oil packs. Castor oil patches are excellent for detoxing all your organs. So if you want to detox your liver, your pancreas, your kidneys, whatever you're trying to focus on, you can use a castor oil pack. And how it works is you just place it over this organ area and do this every day for a few hours. Some people will sleep with it, but a few hours is enough. Just apply the castor packs every day and it will help to detox any of these organs. Even if you have maybe kidney stones, it will also help to dissolve kidney stones. Give this one a try if you're having any kind of problems with your organs or you just want to do any kind of detoxification. These castor oil packs are very effective. Another way you can do it is by using a little bit of castor oil in your belly button, and this one is something you should do carefully because it can make you feel very nauseous and sick if you put too much. Every couple of days or every other day is enough for detoxing your body and helping to just keep it all clean. And also, most of these benefits that you get from castor oil you can get also by just applying it in your belly button, so you don't even have to put it all over your body and all these other places. Your body will help heal from just using your belly button because so many nerve endings are through the belly button. Castor oil is excellent for psoriasis. So if you have any kind of psoriasis on your skin, using castor oil will really help to clear that up and get rid of it completely. For your menstrual cycle, it is amazing for your menstrual cycle. If you're having cramps, headaches, irritability, soreness, achiness, any kind of those feelings, you should try using castor oil. And this one is good to do in the belly button every other day. And you should have no side effects for your period next time it comes around. So try that and let us all know how well it works for you. And let's go on to the hair. There's lots to talk about the hair. Yes, castor oil does work amazing for your hair. You can watch my video on how to use castor oil for your hair. Castor oil can help to thicken your hair, can help to stop the hair loss. It can help to repair your scalp. So if you have any kind of scalp infection, it'll help to heal up your scalp. It does help your hair to grow longer then, of course, because you have a more healthier, thicker, stronger hair. Some sicknesses you might think about are all of them. It's good for all of them. You have a cold, you have a cough, you have a flu, castor oil, take it 1 spoon. You have any kind of itis, maybe you have IBS. A lot of people have this. It's excellent to get rid of IBS. Use the castor oil packs. If you have any kind of ulcerative colitis, if you have any kind of ulcers, if you have headaches, you can use castor oil. Rub castor oil on your head and massage it in. It will help to relieve your headache. It even works for different types of cancer, especially tissue cancer like breast cancer, skin cancer. Castor oil is really effective and worked for many people, so you could try this one. Oh, one we didn't talk about is your thyroid. It helps to keep your thyroid healthy. So you can do this by just rubbing the castor oil into your neck every day. You can add it to your lotion and just apply it like you do your moisturizer every day to help improve your thyroid conditions. This is pretty much a go-to for so many ailments. We're gonna stop here, but there are so many more. So who cannot use castor oil? Pregnant women should be careful using castor oil. You should talk with your doctor first, as using castor oil can induce labor. Okay, I hope you guys are excited to use castor oil as I am and start using it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.